So we're an international trade consulting firm founded in 1992, focusing on the agricultural, food, and beverage sectors. Bryant Christie, or BCI, helps companies and organizations open, access, and develop international markets. And one of our primary focuses is on addressing technical barriers to trade, and that's where our chemical maximum residue level, or MRL, work comes into play. Well, it really started with our early MRL policy work and the need for better organization of all the complex regulatory data and the volume of data that we were coming across. And that's why we started to develop databases to organize that information. Spreadsheets just weren't cutting it any longer. And then about 2000, the U.S. government and some large industry groups approached us about developing a more comprehensive MRL resource that could service the ag sector at large in the United States. And that led to MRLdatabase.com, which has served us for 15 years. So unlike the previous MRL database, GlobalMRL.com provides comprehensive MRL information for countries beyond the United States. The current database provides MRL data on over 900 active ingredients, 800 commodities in over 100 countries throughout the world. So GlobalMRL.com is a subscription-based service where we make MRL data available to users across the world. It's really a one-stop resource for international maximum residue level data and other related information. Well, first of all, GlobalMRL.com is not a new database, not a completely new database anyway. Yes, it was launched in 2015, but it really builds upon over 2 decades of BCI's work in the MRL field. The system itself is managed by a team of experts at Bryant Christie, experts in MRL policy and regulatory analysts. As you can imagine, over the decades, we've developed quite a large and strong global network of contacts and resources that include international governments and large chemical companies that provide valuable information and intelligence for the system. Well, for starters, the global value of agricultural exports is about $1.7 trillion annually. You combine that with numerous countries establishing their own MRL regulations around the world, a lack of transparency and certainly harmonization in many cases associated with those regulations. You've got increased complexity and sophistication of testing. You've got more testing going on, and that leads to an environment that's very dynamic and complex for MRL regulations around the world. So as a result, violations are on the rise, and violations can cost exporters tens of thousands of dollars, they can damage brand equity, and they can really do damage to entire industries. So we've designed the system to provide packages and value for entities of all sizes. Since we launched the system, we've already brought in some very large chemical company subscribers, foreign governments, and large food manufacturers from around the world. At the same time, the system provides value for small growers and exporters, even those interested in only a few markets and maybe only a few commodities. Well, we're already becoming the global standard for MRL data, and our vision, using mobile technology and the like, is to expand the reach of our system, and also, with the help of our users, to create new features and benefits that'll serve a changing business environment over time. So given the complex global MRL environment that I've described, I'm confident that GlobalMRL.com will become even more important over time. And I'm excited about the opportunity to continue to serve our users in the years ahead.